Let's talk about backward swizzles next. It's a little bit of an opposite of forward swizzles. With forward swizzles, our weight is on the back third of the blade. For backward swizzles, we are going to now be on the front third of the blade. Also, instead of starting as a V and bringing our toes together, we're now going to start with our toes together. Bend, push when you're about halfway through, rise up in your knees and bring your heels together. Drive down first. We're still square. Eyes up, belly button up. Remember, when you push, bend and push, there's never any bend at the waist. That could be a falling risk or harm our speed. So bend, stand tall here, drive down, rise up. My arms are in front to balance, but something always to note in all of our home-based positions, stroking, swizzles, edges, there's never lots of tension in your arms. They're always stretched out and parallel to the ice, but the more tension you have in your upper body, what happens is your shoulder tends to get up here, you're really tense up here, and it's a lot harder to maintain stability and your edges. So always remember, when you feel stressed or a little nervous, breathe in, exhale, make sure we're stretched and relaxed, and it'll make these newer skills much easier. Just like forwards, our goal is to do 6 to 8 swizzles backwards in a row and try to get a glide in between. Bend and rise. As I rise, I'm pushing away from the ice. Bend and rise, bend and rise, bend and rise, bend and rise, bend and rise. As we're skiing backwards, we can also warm up. Back glide, mini dip, rise up, glide, dip, rise up. Keep pushing against the tongue and bending your ankles. Posture up, bend. We're gonna be on the back of our skates. Bend, rise up to bring the toes together. And now we're gonna reverse. Since we're doing a back swizzle now, bend, pressure on the front of your skate. You're almost done swizzling and rise up. So with the rocking horse, we go back and forth. We have a rhythm going down and up in our knees. And we're gonna keep tracing the same pattern. Our goal is to do 3 of these in a row. Upper body stays completely still and the hips below are working.